Hurry up, kids. The school bus comes very soon.
Dad, I am ready because I have my school bag. Where is my bright red pencil case for school today?
It is on the table, so come and eat.
Where is Mom because she was here a minute ago? Maybe she is resting inside the dark bedroom right now.
I will look for her, so finish your breakfast. Sarah, are you okay inside the bathroom right now?
Yes, but please wait for a small moment, Mike.
We are late, and the kids must go to school.
I know, but my stomach hurts very badly right now.
Do you need some medicine to feel better, Sarah?
Why is Dad standing at the bathroom door so early? I heard Mom say her stomach hurts very badly today. That happened to me when I ate green mangoes last week. Yes, eating too many mangoes is not very nice. But Dad, the yellow school bus comes at 8 o'clock.
I will take you to school by car today, kids. Yay! Dad's car is much faster than the bus.
I am done, and I feel much better now, everyone.
Thank you for the water. That was very sweet, Tom.
You made a big mistake eating 8 whole mangoes, Sarah.
I know, Mike, but they were so good. Remember, do not eat too much of anything, kids. I am so bored because there is nothing to do.
Let us explore our house instead of playing a game. Explore what? Because we live in a small house, Emma. Look down here. What is that old door behind books?
You are right. I have never seen this door before.
Let us open it and see what is inside now. Wait, we should ask Mom or Dad about this door.
Mom, there is a secret door in the long hallway.
A secret door? Where did you find that, kids? It is hidden right behind the big family bookshelf, Mom.
Yes, I know that old door, but it is locked.
Who has the old key for this hidden door, Mom?
I think your grandfather had the key many years ago.
Dad, we found a secret door behind the big bookshelf.
The secret door? Oh my, I forgot about that room.
Why is it secret? And who built this old house?
My grandfather built this beautiful house many years ago, kids.
What did our great-grandfather do inside that secret room?
Nobody knows, because he never talked about it with anyone. But I think I know where the old key is. Let us look inside this old box for the treasure. Yes, I kept it safe here for many long years.
Can we open the secret door right now, please, Dad? Yes, let us open the secret room together today, Dad.
Excellent idea, Emma. Come on, everyone, let us solve the mystery together now.
I am very excited, but a little bit scared too. Me too, because it looks very dark inside the lock.
Look inside. It is like a hidden secret world, everyone.
Oh, wow! Look at all these beautiful things on shelves! Did our great-grandfather make these lovely things by hand?
Yes, he was a wonderful and secret wood artist, Emma.
He loved to make animals, but he never showed anyone.
Can I keep this bear because it is my favorite?
Yes, I think great-grandfather wants us to have them.
This is a real and wonderful family treasure for us. A secret room and a secret artist is so cool.
Every family has a story, and today we found ours.
It is perfect, because it was hidden for so long.
Look at this. He made all these special things for us. I want to see the real animals now, like lions.
Let us go to the real city zoo tomorrow morning.
Hooray! We are going to the zoo to see lions.
I want to see the tall giraffes and funny penguins.
We will leave at exactly 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, kids.
Eat your breakfast quickly tomorrow so we can go early.
Tomorrow will be a wonderful day at the city zoo.
4 tickets, please. 2 adults and 2 children today.
Let us look at the big map of the zoo, Dad. Look! The gray elephants are over there by the water.
Stay close, children, and please do not run too fast.
Wow! It is so big and has a long nose.
What does a giant elephant eat every day, Mom? Elephants eat grass, sweet fruits, and green leaves, Emma.
Look! The elephant is using its long nose to drink.
That long nose is called a strong trunk, Tom.
Please take a beautiful picture of me with the elephant, Dad.
There it is, a beautiful lion sitting on a rock.
It is sleeping right now, so... Is it lazy, Dad?
No, lions need a lot of rest every single day.
The lion is called the powerful king of the jungle.
I want to be strong like a powerful lion, Mom.
Look, kids, there is food. Let us eat lunch now.
Can I have a hot dog because I am hungry?
Of course, Tom. Let's get one. What would you like, Emma?
I want a sandwich and orange juice, please, Dad.
Good choices. Let us see the penguins and giraffes next.
Wow, it is so tall. Can it reach 6 meters?
I wish I could reach things on the top shelf.
It is very cold in here because penguins love ice.
They are swimming so fast. They walk funny on land.
Today was wonderful. Did you enjoy the zoo trip, kids?
Yes, Mom.
We saw the beautiful animals today. And I found our family love.